An open source license server is a great solution when you are selling your product to customers who will be running the application in an offline setting, where software licensing is otherwise an issue. Given the lack of internet connectivity in, for example, air-gapped environments, your application will not be able to contact the software licensing system, and your ability to keep track of the licenses will be lost. In today's video, I will briefly cover how an open source license server from Cryptolens can help you out in those situations, so you can set up software licensing to work in an offline setting. I'm Joe Norman with Cryptolens. Let's get started. First of all, let's dig a bit deeper into the problem. Whether you are using an internal software licensing system or working with a licensing as a service provider, you most likely need an internet connection to verify a customer's license key. Now, let's take the example that you sell your application to a large enterprise where the 3 employees who will use the application are working in an air-gapped environment. When they run the application without internet access, the connection between the application and the software licensing system is lost, and that means that the license file cannot be kept up to date. This is where an open source license server from Cryptolens comes in. Here's how. We allow one computer, which is called the license server, to have internet access. Then we let the 3 machines that run the application contact that license server when performing license verification, which in turn, of course, contacts the software licensing system. Key verification can now proceed as normal, and we can now keep track of the customer's licenses even though they are running your application in an offline setting. Now, if you want to implement our licensing server, please check out the full implementation guide, which I link to in the description below. That also covers how floating licenses would work in an offline setting, and how you can set up the license server to accommodate your unique licensing requirements. I'm Joe Norman with Cryptolens. Thank you for watching. Stay curious.